Want to get updates on the latest post on X? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to see only latest tweets as they happen. Let's get started. First, open X. One method can be to refresh the homepage by scrolling down to view the newer post. Like so. Another method can be tapping on the search icon at the bottom. Here you can find many trending things in your region or the world. You can also tap trending on the top. Here you can find more trending topics. And that is how to view latest tweets as they happen. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.